Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: license, Office 365 admin access, and assigned site owners. Next, choose site type: communication for broad updates or team site for collaboration. This determines templates and permissions. Once ready, open the Sharepoint Admin Center and pick Create Site. Enter name, description, and sensitivity label. Make sure to set the default language and time zone now, because changing them later is difficult. These first steps establish structure and security, so take a moment to verify choices before proceeding. You now build the site's middle layer. Design pages, libraries, and metadata to support predictable findability. Create page templates and sections for consistent layouts. Once done, add web parts like document library, quick links, and news. Configure navigation, global and local, and link to a hub site if you need cross-site consistency. Make sure to enable versioning and retention on libraries and apply conditional access for sensitive content. These choices control long-term governance and user experience, so align them with your information architecture. You finish by locking down permissions, testing access with a sample user, and publishing your primary pages. Once published, check search indexing and run a few typical searches to confirm discoverability. Train contributors on editing, metadata, and governance rules, and schedule regular backups and audits. If something goes wrong, like missing files or permission denials, start by checking library permissions and unique permission inheritance. Often resetting inheritance and reapplying group rights fixes it quickly. Finally, document the fixes so you can prevent repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.